Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at polyhedrons and nets. So the first is some polygon names, which you've seen probably before. We have triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nanogon, decagon, and how many sides per polygon, like that. So a triangle has 3 sides, hexagon has 6 sides, like that. So many polygons connected together in a 3-dimensional way create what's called polyhedrons. So examples are triangular prism, square pyramid, pentagonal prism. And so what we can do sometimes is a net, which is an unfoldment of the polyhedron at its edges. So the net is 2-dimensional. So we have our 3-dimensional triangular prism, and then this is the net of the triangular prism. Nets can be useful if you're doing surface area of a polyhedron. If it's written out as a net, it's easier to see which areas you're calculating. So this is one example that you can use a net in your mathematic journey. Okay, so practice 1. Match each net with its polyhedron. So go ahead and pause the video. There's more down here, so if you want to pause the video and copy them, that's fine, or I'll just show them to you in 2 steps. So this is the first, A to D. Okay, and then these are the other here, all the way to F, like that. Okay, and then there's our answer right here. Okay, so we have A3, B5, C2, D1, E6, F4, like that. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.